Now, let's look at different degree of atrioventricular block. Let's look at the first degree heart block. The first degree heart block means the PR interval is more than 200 milliseconds, and there's a constant PR interval. Remember, the PR interval measured from the starting of the P wave to the starting of the Q wave. So if it's more than 200 milliseconds, then it's a first degree AV block. It implies the delayed conduction through the AV node. As in this example, the PR interval showed there's a 320 milliseconds. It's much longer than 200 milliseconds. So this is a normal PR interval. It's usually less than 200 milliseconds. This is another example of first degree AV heart block. You see here, the PR interval is more than 200 milliseconds, constituting a first degree heart block.